Display motion in cam and follower through dynamic simulation. In this exercise, two pre-constructed parts are selected for use. One is cam and the other is follower. Part files are available on the following blog. Click the new icon under the Work tab in the Welcome screen of Autodesk Inventor Professional 2013. Select Metric Template in the Create New File dialog box. Create a standard millimeter assembly file. Save it with the name Cam and Follower Dynamic Simulation. Select Place Component from the marking menu and place the cam in the assembly. Align the cam in correct position by using View Cube. Set the current view as Home View by using the toggle next to View Cube. Select the cam in the design window and remove its grounded position from the context menu. Click the Degrees of Freedom icon in the Visibility panel of View tab. At present, there are 6 degrees of freedom in cam and it can be moved in any direction in the assembly. Apply an axis mate between the z-axis of assembly and z-axis of cam. Apply a flush mate between the XY plane of assembly and uppermost front face of cam. Now this time only 1 degrees of freedom persists and cam can be moved only on its z-axis. Place the follower in the assembly. Reorient the follower against the cam using Rotate Component tool. Apply a flush mate between the uppermost front face of cam and face of small pulley of follower. Apply a mate constraint between YZ plane of assembly and YZ plane of follower. Activate the Dynamic Simulation tool from the Begin panel of Environments tab. Click the View tab and change the view of model to Shaded with Edges in the Visual Style drop-down. Activate Insert Joint from the Marking menu. Select Sliding Cylinder Curve from drop-down menu of Insert Joint dialog box. Select the outer edge of cam in Curve Selection option and select Circular edge of small pulley of follower in Cylinder Selection option. Click OK. Select Revolution 1 joint in the browser under the Standard Joints folder. Right-click and select Properties from the context menu. Click DOF1 tab and select Edit Imposed Motion button and check the Enable Imposed Motion option. Click the arrow to expand the input choices and click Constant Value. Enter the value 360 into 2 degrees per second and click OK. In Simulation Player, fill the value 400 in the Images field area. Clear the screen by activating the Clean Screen command. Click Run in the Simulation Player to display motion in cam and follower. We invite all of you to visit our blog where you may get similar screencast videos. Please keep watching our videos. Goodbye.